We'll guide you through how to make a shirt for Roblox on your mobile device. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. And this will work with both iOS and Android devices. So first of all, you'll need to go and close out of the Roblox app and go and open up your App Store or Play Store. And you need to go and search for an app called MakerBlocks. Here it is. This is a free app, it has got ads in, but it's free. So go and download it and go and open it up just like this. Then just come down to the bottom and go and click on home. And if we scroll down, we can then go and see some templates. Now, as you can see, there are free templates and then there are ads. So let me go and click on this first one here on the left. It will then say loading. And now we can go and get started. So at the bottom, you've got textures, stickers, cloth, colors, loop and shapes. And then when you go and select one of them, you can then go and see more options for it. So for this case, I'm going to go and start with colors. So I'll click on colors at the bottom. You can then go and choose the color which you wish to go and use. So let's say I select this sort of purple color. I then can go and select the piece of the shirt which I want it to be. So I can go and click on it just like so. And as you can see, we've now gone and made the shirt that color. If you head over to the left, there's a sort of person and a rotation icon. And then what you can do is flip to the front and the back, just like so. But let's say you wish to use a texture, then click on texture in the bottom left, and then you can select where you want the texture to be, just like that. Now we'll go into stickers, so I'll click there. You've got all these different options which you can search for as well. At the bottom though, you can click on upload image. In this case, I wish to use this image here of my logo, so I'll go and click on it, and it's now gone and added it. And then what you can do is go and resize it and go and place it on your shirt. Once you've got it in the right position, click on the tick in the bottom left and there it is. In cloth, you can also go and add a few different bits here as well. And you've also got loop as well, and you can go and add something from here if you wish. And finally, you've then got the option for shapes, which you can go and click on. So I could go and add a circle, say, I'll click there, and I'll then choose the color, maybe to be this sort of red color. And then what you can do is go and resize it and go and position it where you want it. And what you can also do is go and switch to 3D in the top right as well, if you prefer to go and look at it like that to go and preview it. Once you've finished customizing your shirt, then just go over to the right and go and click on that download button like so, and it then says MakerBlocks would like to add your photos. I'll click OK, and we've now got an ad. Shortly though, you'll see a cross in the top right which you can click on, and it'll close off it, and the file is now saved. So you can now come out of here just like so, and you'll need to go and open up a web browser. I'll just open up Safari as that's what I have on my phone, but you can use any. And then all you need to do is type in the address bar create.roblox.com. And here we are. Now head to the top right and click on login. After you've signed in, you'll then be taken to this page, and you need to head to the top left and click on the 3 lines and head over to the left again, click on creations. And you then need to scroll along here until you see avatar items. And then there'll be the option for filters, click there. And we want to do a shirt, so click on classic shirts. And now go and click on upload asset, click on the upload button and then click on photo library. And you can find what you just downloaded, which is this here, and then press done. And there it is. You can go and give it a name. You can give it a description as well. And to go and upload it, it will cost you 10 Robux. I'll press on upload and then upload again. And we're now uploading it. And under filters, click on classic shirts, and then we'll scroll down and here it is. It may take a few minutes for it to load, but I can now go and click on it and scroll down and here it is here. And when you go and upload it, it will automatically be added to your Roblox inventory as well. If you want to put it on sale though, just click on it. You may need to click on it twice and you can then switch on sale and you can go and set a price and publish it. But now let me show you it in Roblox. Here we are in Roblox, so we'll click on our avatar at the bottom and then go and click on customize in the top right. And you want to go and click on clothing and scroll along here until you see classic shirts and click there. And my shirt is now appearing just here. I've just removed my t-shirt and now my jacket, and as you can see, you can now go and see the shirt I just made. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.